in this video we will solve question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Okay, so listen and understand what the question is. Question number 1. In figure 6.39, sides QP and RQ, sides QP and RQ are produced to the points S and T respectively. Means side QP is produced to point S and side RQ is produced till point T. Okay, if angle SPR is 135 degrees and angle PQT is 110 degrees, then find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. This is the angle PRQ and this angle we have to find. Okay. So, as we were doing before, we will mention all the given things and what we have to find before solving the question. Okay, so given things are QP is produced to S, RQ is produced to T, and angle SPR is 135 degrees and angle PQT is 110 degrees. Okay, and to find angle PRQ. Okay. So from the figure we can clearly see that angle SPR is the exterior angle of triangle PQR from the produced side QP, and angle PQT is the exterior angle of the triangle PQR from the extended side or produced side RQ. Okay. Yes, so we can use one of the angle to find. We can use any one of the angle like angle SPR or angle PRQ to find this angle. Okay, angle PRQ. Now see the solution. As QPS and RQT both are straight line. Okay, so using this any of the straight line and by applying linear pair of the angles, we can find this angle also and we can find this angle also. So we are taking here line QPS. Okay, as QPS is a straight line and angle SPR and angle QPR are the adjacent angles. Okay, on the straight line SPQ. So their sum will be 180 degrees. Okay, by linear pair of angles. And we know the measure of angle SPR, we know the measure of angle SPR which is 135. So we can get the measure of angle QPR. So angle QPR will be equals to 180 degrees minus 135 because SPR is 135. So if it will transpose this 135 to RHS, it will become minus 135 degrees. Okay. So angle QPR, measure of angle QPR is now 45 degrees. We got this angle, this is 45 degrees. Okay. Now, one more exterior angle we have here, which is angle PQT, and we can clearly see that angle PQT is the exterior angle produced from produced side QR. So it will be equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle of the triangle. So interior opposite of the angle of this angle are angle QPR and angle PRQ. And we know the measure of QPR from here. Okay, so if we equate the sum of QPR and PRQ to this, we can get the measure of PRQ. Okay, by exterior angle property or theorem 6.8 given in the NCERT textbook. Okay, now see further. Also TQP or PQT, whatever you say, TQP is exterior angle of the produced side QR of the triangle PQR. So the sum of two interior opposite angles of this angle will be equal to angle PQT or TQP, whatever you say. Okay, so angle PRQ plus angle QPR. Okay, QPR plus PRQ will be equal to PQT, which is 110 degrees. Okay, and we have to get this value, measure of this angle, angle PRQ. So PRQ will be equals to, PQT was 110, it is given in the question, 110 minus angle QPR. QPR we have calculated here, which is 45 degrees. So angle PRQ is equals to 110 minus 45 degrees. 110 degrees minus 45 degrees, which is 65. Okay. Clearly, if this is 45 degrees and here we have 110 degree, so 110 is sum of these two angles, no? So this angle is 65. Using exterior angle theorem, okay, we have got the measure of angle PRQ as 65 degrees. Okay.